Hey QK, for this wash day, we are using Creme of Nature Pure Honey line with a style. And if you are following me on Instagram and you saw those videos, you can tell that the condition of my hair was still pretty good. But as a low porosity natural, you always want to make sure that your hair is fully saturated with some water before you apply the shampoo. The first product that I'm using by Creme of Nature Pure Honey line is the Moisturizing Dry Defense shampoo for dry, dehydrated hair. It also says no sulfates and no minerals. And in the back it says apply a generous amount to wet hair and massage into lather, rinse thoroughly and repeat. Follow with pure honey conditioner, and that is what we are doing today. And right off the bat, I love the consistency of the shampoo. It wasn't too light, it wasn't too thick, it was just right in between. And during this process, I do not use a comb or detangler brush or any hair ties. I let my hands do the job. While I'm massaging, I'm also detangling and separating my strands, which minimizes my detangling process when I get towards the end. And I did shampoo my hair twice because the first round is always the startup and the second round is the cleanup. The second product that I'm using by Creme of Nature is the Moisture Replenish and Strength Hair Mask for dry, damaged hair. And here's how it looks. And in the back it says, after using pure honey shampoo, evenly apply a generous amount to clean, wet hair from root to ends, concentrating on dry or damaged areas. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse thoroughly. For rapid restoration, after applying mask, proceed with hair steaming or sit under a hooded dryer with a plastic cap and use weekly for best results. This one also has no sulfates and no mineral oil. It does have a thick and creamy consistency, which is going to help me some more with my detangling process. And just like I did during my shampoo process, I just like to glide my hands down my strands. And I find that my shedded hair comes out really easily doing it this way. This is how we do it in the salon as stylists, and this is how I do it now while I'm home. So I'm going to take care of all 4 sections and then put a plastic cap on, and then I'm going to bathe. Alright, so I'm out the shower. I'm going to add the leave-ins, what the leave-in looks like. So the leave-in says, Creme of Nature, pure honey, of course. Breakup, breakage, leave-in conditioner. It's for dry, damaged hair. It has pure honey in it, rich coconut oil, and creamy shea butter. No sulfates, no mineral oils. And the directions say, spray all over damp hair and comb through. Do not rinse, blow dry, or style as usual. Alright, let's see how it smells. I think they all smell the same. Alright, so I'm going to section my hair off because this is when I detangle. And this is what my hair looks like after deep conditioning and allowing the t-shirt to soak up all of the extra water. Alright, so we're just going to split this down the back. Believe it or not, my hair already feels detangled. Which is great. Alright, so I'm going to start in the back. And this is a big section. Alright. Okay, so it looks thick, but it sprays light. It's kind of weird. Let's split this in half. Spray a little bit more. And my buddy's back. I haven't seen it in a while because it needed to be cleaned. Then I just forgot about it. Alright, so we detangled that. And that feels really good. So far, I like that I can detangle. And spray just a little bit more in the middle. And on the ends back here too. Moving on to the front. I do not know what I want to do with my hair. I was going to do a twist out, but I don't know if I want my hair out. And since I don't have time to protect it as long as I usually do when I do a twist out, I really don't want to do a twist out. thinking of a style that is protected. I don't want to wear my hair out. So I'm thinking of a style as I apply this leave-in conditioner. That is what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm back from my break because I took a break. And I just took these out. I decided that I'm going to do like a protective style, but it's going to have some 2-strand twists and some flat twists. So now I'm going to part the section that I need. And this is supposed to be like a quick style. So the first part is starting in front of the right temple, and then it curves around and it ends in the back of the left ear. And the next part is going to start right here. And you might want to say this part is going to be similar to that first part. Alright, so here's how this part looks. And like I said, it ends in the back. I'm going to do flat twists over here, and this is going to be 2-strand twists. So it's this section as well as this section. So let's just start back here. And I don't want the twist to be small. I'm going for like medium size. The next product I'm using by Creme of Nature is the Moisture Whip Twisting Cream Pure Honey Rich Coconut Oil Creamy Shea Butter. Same thing, no sulfates, no minerals, but this one has no silicones. And in the back it says, scoop a liberal amount into your hand and smooth downward on small sections of damp hair using fingertips, and then twist, shingle, coil, or wash and go. Do not rinse, air dry, or diffuse. See what this smells like, and this is what it looks like. It smells, I think they all smell similar. This is thick. So I'm going to test out a little bit first. Alright, so let's just put this on the section. I'm starting from ends to root. And so far this does feel good like this. That's what that looks like. I'm going to add a little bit of water to that. So the tangling, and now I'm going to twist it up. Alright, so that's the first twist. Let's keep moving. And I really want them to be a little bit bigger than that. Now I'm in the front, and we're just going to continue with the medium-sized twist. I like Creme of Nature. They just never disappoint me. They really don't. I've had a few of their lines, and I can say that everyone I've had, I've liked a whole lot. And now Ab is using the detangler and the shampoo from the coconut line. He's using that now for his beard because he's growing out his beard. So I gave him that one to use. And a little bit more water. Glad that this line has a twisting cream because that the clay one didn't have anything to style with. That was the last one I bought, I think. The last product from Creme of Nature. Alright, so now for this section, I think I want these flat twists to be big. I'm going to start this first part right here. We're going to do like 3 medium-sized flat twists. Just like the 2-strand twist, I'm going to do a little moisturizing, a little detangling, and then I'm going to start the flat twist. I'm happy I decided to do this because I did not want to wear my hair out. I don't think I never want to wear my hair out because I do that. Right now, it's protective time. Alright, so this flat twist is going to be facing towards my face. And I am adding some of the product as a twist. Alright y'all, so I am all done, and before I give you guys a twirl, let me show you how much I used. I didn't use a lot, it's just that the cream, the butter, whatever you want to call it, it's just separated on its own. So far, so good. I am loving how everything turned out. Give you guys a twirl. Alright y'all, so it's the next day and we are giving the face a break. At least a day or two. I still have my clips in, so I'm going to take those out right now. And everything is still looking good. Alright, so let me give you guys a twirl before I get into my thoughts. And I didn't use any oil. I just thought about that. So I'm going to put some oil on my hands, as well as I don't have the applicator, so I'll just be doing this. Good. I get it on my scalp one way or another. Don't even matter. That is that. Now let's get into the line. let's start with the shampoo first. My thoughts. I like it a lot. I like everything about it. My hair did not feel stripped. It still felt moisturized. It lasted really fast. And I got to detangle with it. So yeah, I'm loving the shampoo. Everything about it. Let's get into now the deep conditioner. So with the deep conditioner, same thing. I can't complain. It did exactly what I expected it to do because, I don't know, I just like Creme of Nature. I trust them, and this is why I got 4 pieces from them. So anyway, yeah, I enjoyed every moment of this conditioner. Like I said, it moisturizes my hair, feeling strong before I started, so still have that same strength, and I'm going to be using this a lot. So the next product I want to talk about is the leave-in conditioner. Now for the leave-in conditioner, I do like it, but I think after using Bella, which is a little creamier, I'm kind of like stuck. You know, I'm kind of like stuck with that. But don't get me wrong, I do like it a lot. I just feel like I'm using more than I want to use, put it like that. And even though I'm using more, I still don't feel like it's giving me that same hydration that Bella Leave-In gives me. Yeah, other than that, I do like the nozzle. I do like everything else about it. It's just that I just wish it had more shea butter, so it could have been a little bit more moisturizing. And in a couple of days, I will let you guys know if the moisture stayed in. So right now, I really don't have too much of a judgment, even though I said what I said. But like I said, I will get back to you guys because even though it didn't give me that boom from the start, it might still give me that moisture that I'm looking for and that I need. And last but not least, the twisting cream. Right from the jump, I enjoyed the twist and glided smoothly. It absorbed in my hair. I felt like I didn't have to use a lot. It didn't leave any residue. And my hair feels really good the next day. Also, I didn't have to use any oil. It gave me that shine that, you know, us naturals is always looking for without using the oil. And so yeah, I love the twist and cream because sometimes with certain lines, they might get maybe 1 or 2 products right, but then you get down to the styling product, and now you can't do wash and style with the line because the styling cream just is all wrong. But with the Pure Honey line from Creme of Nature, yeah, I'm so happy that they made a styling cream for this line, as well as that it works, and so far I'm loving it. So yeah, UK, that is it. I bought 4 products out of the line, and I like, I would say, all of them, but the leave-in conditioner, I will be letting you guys know how I feel later on down the line. So yeah, UK, I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. Yeah, this video is going to be hella long, but just sit back, enjoy, and watch. And if you are new and you enjoy and you know you're a queen or king, then you should have no problem with subscribing. Please follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Serenanaturals. So UK, I really hope you guys enjoyed once again, and I will see you guys in the next one.